Welcome to the Sleep Masterclass. This session explores the essential principles and practices for achieving truly restorative sleep. We will cover the biology of sleep, the environmental factors that influence it, and actionable strategies for improving your sleep quality immediately. Sleep is not merely a period of inactivity, but a vital biological process during which the body and mind repair and restore themselves. It is essential for cognitive function, emotional regulation, physical health, and overall well-being. The biological basis of sleep is governed by two main processes, the homeostatic sleep drive and the circadian rhythm. The homeostatic sleep drive, often called process S, builds up the longer a person is awake, creating a pressure to sleep. This pressure is primarily regulated by the accumulation of adenosine, a neuromodulator. The circadian rhythm, or process C, is an internal biological clock that regulates the timing of sleep and wakefulness over a roughly 24-hour cycle. This rhythm is primarily synchronized by light detected through the eyes and signals to the suprachiasmatic nucleus in the brain. These two processes work together. The circadian rhythm dictates when a person feels alert and when they feel drowsy, while the homeostatic drive ensures that enough sleep is obtained. For healthy sleep, these two systems must be properly aligned. Sleep progresses through several stages, broadly categorized into non-rapid eye movement or NREM sleep and rapid eye movement or REM sleep. NREM sleep is divided into three stages, N1, N2, and N3. N1 is the transition from wakefulness to sleep, a very light stage. N2 is characterized by sleep spindles and K-complexes, representing a deeper, more stable sleep. N3 is deep, slow-wave sleep, which is the most physically restorative stage. REM sleep is characterized by rapid eye movements, temporary muscle paralysis, and vivid dreaming. This stage is crucial for memory consolidation and emotional processing. A complete sleep cycle, moving from N1 through N3 then into REM, lasts about 90 minutes and repeats several times throughout the night. The quality of sleep is heavily dependent on the sleep environment. The bedroom should be a sanctuary dedicated almost exclusively to sleep. The three primary environmental factors to control are light, temperature, and noise. Even small amounts of light can disrupt the production of melatonin, the hormone that signals to the body it is time to sleep. Total darkness is ideal. Temperature is also critical. Most experts agree that a cool room, typically between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit, is optimal for initiating and maintaining sleep. The body's core temperature naturally drops during sleep, and a cool environment supports this process. Noise should be minimized if complete silence is not possible. Using white noise or pink noise can help mask sudden, disruptive sounds, leading to more consistent sleep. Developing a consistent sleep schedule is perhaps the most important behavioral change for improving sleep. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, reinforces the circadian rhythm. This regularity trains the body to expect sleep at a predictable time, making it easier to fall asleep. The hour leading up to bedtime should be a wind-down period. This involves establishing a relaxing ritual that signals to the brain that sleep is approaching. This could include reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing light stretching. Exposure to blue light from electronic devices like phones and tablets should be eliminated during this wind-down period. Blue light actively suppresses melatonin release, delaying the onset of sleep. Diet and substance intake have a profound effect on sleep quality. Caffeine is a powerful stimulant that blocks adenosine receptors, fighting the homeostatic sleep drive. Caffeine consumption should be limited and strictly avoided within 6 to 8 hours of bedtime. Alcohol can induce drowsiness but severely fragment sleep architecture, especially by suppressing REM sleep later in the night. While it may help a person fall asleep, the resulting sleep is poor and unrefreshing. Heavy meals close to bedtime can lead to indigestion and discomfort, disrupting sleep. The last substantial meal should be consumed at least 2 to 3 hours before lying down. Regular physical exercise improves both the duration and quality of sleep. However, the timing of exercise matters. Vigorous activity too close to bedtime can be stimulating and increase body temperature, making it harder to fall asleep. Morning or afternoon exercise is generally best for promoting sleep. Daytime naps can be beneficial but must be managed carefully. A short power nap of 10 to 30 minutes can refresh alertness without causing sleep inertia. Longer naps, especially later in the day, can reduce the homeostatic sleep drive and make it difficult to fall asleep at night. If a person cannot fall asleep after 20 minutes of trying, it is best to get out of bed and engage in a relaxing, non-stimulating activity in dim light until feeling sleepy again. Staying in bed and becoming frustrated conditions the brain to associate the bedroom with wakefulness and anxiety, counteracting the goal of relaxation. Stress and anxiety are major contributors to poor sleep. Techniques such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, or journaling can help calm an overactive mind before bed. Addressing daytime stressors through effective management strategies will also lessen their impact on nighttime rest. Maintaining a sleep diary can be a useful tool. tracking bedtime, wake time, perceived sleep quality. And lifestyle factors like food and exercise can help identify patterns and triggers for poor sleep, allowing for targeted adjustments. In summary, mastering sleep involves respecting the body's natural biology, optimizing the sleep environment for darkness and cool temperatures, maintaining a strict, regular schedule, and adopting healthy daytime habits regarding diet, exercise, and stress management. Consistent implementation of these principles is the key to unlocking consistent, restorative sleep.